Problem solving skill. So before understanding problem solving skill, it is very important to understand what is problem. So what is problem? In education, the common meaning is a question raised for inquiry, consideration, or solution. In life, when we say we face a problem, we generally mean an unpleasant situation or difficulty. So in daily routine life, we face many problems, we face many situations which are desired to be improved or which are desired to be generally face out. Now, what is problem solving? Problem solving is a process to choose and the use effective and beneficial tool and behavior among the different potentiality to reach the target. It contains scientific method, critical thinking, taking decision, examining, reflecting thinking. So this method is used in the process of solving a problem to generalize or to make synthesis. So we can say that problem solving means when we talk about our everyday life problem or situation where improvement is required. So there is a feeling of doubt, hesitation, or mental activity. Now, the specific meaning of problem and problem solving. According to Gates, a problem exists for an individual when he has a definite goal he cannot reach by behavior pattern which he already has available. And according to Skinner, problem solving is a process of overcoming difficulty that appears to interfere. In a problem solving, the entire subject matter is organized in such a manner that it can't deal with through the problem identified during the study. Problem solving require qualities such as cool-headedness, creativity, scientific thinking, understanding, and open-mindedness. So being scientific should not be limited to technical matter. It should be applied in human affairs too. So problem in personal life would then not be considered as something to be dreaded or statistically endured, but as something to be scientifically solved, bringing some change. The major reason for suffering are persons friction. So this is because they don't have been deal with intelligence. So cultivating a scientific attitude means to stop taking things for granted. Features of problem solving. Problem solving is related to actual life situation. It is understandable to the learner who face it. Characteristics of a problem in a learning situation. It is provoking, connected to the existing knowledge of the learners, worthwhile and of practical value, workable with the resource available, feasible within the time available. It helps to eliminate the problem or either reduce the problem. It also helps to reduce the harmful effect of the problem. It make use of various resources to help in developing solutions. Thus, problem solving help to increase the profitability and branding of a company. Steps in problem solving. So first is problem orientation. This step involves recognizing that a problem exists and that solving the difficulty is a worthwhile attempt. Second, define the problem. The normal process for solving a problem will initially involve defining the problem you want to solve. So you need to decide what you want to achieve and write it down. Then next, analyze the problem to understand the cause of the problem. So it is very important that we have to analyze the problem and we have to gather information according to the problem. Formulate alternative strategies, brainstorm alternative solution. They should be based on the analysis of the problem. When you have discovered a real problem that you want to solve and have investigated the climate into which the solution must fit. So next stage will be to generate a number of possible solution. Then selection of strategies. A number of strategies have to be selected based on availability of resources, efficiency of strategies, and ease with which they can be implemented. So strategy must be shortlisted accordingly. Implementation of strategies. Now that you have possible solution or solutions, you need to decide how you will make solution happen. Last, evaluation. The access of alternative strategies to solve the problem is evaluated and necessary changes are made. Make sure during implementation that you do wholeheartedly and put in your best effort. So this stage can help you in solving your problems. So problem solving enable us to deal constructively with problems in our lives. Strategies for problem solving. First strategy is act it out. Draw a diagram. Look for a pattern. Guess and check. Trial and error method here we can use. Make a table. Make your checklist you can make. Systematic list you can make. Work backward. You have to analyze why problem is there, as we all know that present problem is definitely having the deep root of past. Then solve a simpler problem. Try to solve the problem as simple as possible, and use logical reasoning for the problem. When you are applying any solution, you have to be logical why you are applying this solution. Then four basic factors are to be considered for the problem solving. First is creative, having the ability to produce the new ideas. You must have the ability to produce new ideas. Then critical, careful attention and judgment must be there. You must have the critical thinking in choosing right and wrong, in judging what is right for you and what is wrong for you. Then thinking, a process that acts upon the intelligence. Here you have to channelize your thought process. Then innovative, doing something with the ideas. You have to be innovative in solving your problem.